Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to generate master job profitability report branch-wise in Fresa application. So initially you needed to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to accounts module. Here we have to choose job reports to accounts tab. We can see here the master job profitability report. Click on it. So the main purpose of this report is that we can view job wise, branch wise profitability with segment details like gross profit, actual profit, etc. Click on the report. Fill the required date range. If you want to get report for a particular branch, then you can choose here, or if you want to get report for a particular department, then you can choose here. So fill all the details as per your requirement and then click on submit button. Now the report will get generated. If you want to get to the particular job number, then you can click on the job number here. Or if you want to add this particular page as your favorites, then you can click on favorites button provided here. If you want to download the report, then click on options. Here we can see the download option available. Click on it. Once after your click, it will ask for the format. Choose the format. Now the report will get downloaded. Open the report. Then we can view the preview of the report downloaded. Hope now you got an idea on how to generate master job profitability report branch wise in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.